Can we just get locked inside?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did.
Oh.
It's okay.
Like, don't mind us. We have to build our base over here. Build our base.
Hi, guys. I'm coming to help you. I got green trash in here. There you go.
Why do we need trash can?
Because you need to. And you need this now. You need this, Lemery. You need this too. What?
Guys, collect food. Because you also need that. So we could actually survive.
Whoa!
Guys, we need to get to base. Guys, my base is not good. God.
Lemery! Why you? Lemery? Lemery? Why you? Lemery? Lemery, I almost got killed.
I think we're right beside each other.
I have a base and it's working.
My God.
I got killed. I got killed, guys. Lemery, why you?
Come.
Stealing money from his own mother's purse? Who does that?
How much money?
I died.
I don't have any more Robux.
Brennan, we could take him
Should we play a new game?
Wait, revive?
fair and straight.
Oh, I don't have
Let's just play a new game.
survive something. I found you. Emery, find survive.
Survive.
You guys. I like playing you. No, I'm watching YouTube. Oh no.
What about 100 Days in the Sky?
Another day in the car.
What about 100 Days in the Sky? okay, we're leaving without you, Sophia.
I want to go up.
You have to.
You like it? You like it? Alex! Steal the phone! Run! Lucas, that was on the charger! I took it out. Stop, Lucas!
Baba!
Lucas, get up! Lucas, where did you throw the charger? Where's the charger? I don't know. Move, River.
Let me go to my pot.
No, move. How'd you get the ladder?
All you have to do is hold and then move. You can go up with the button. And then you can top my tree. Guys, I'm gonna. You have to hold your screen. You have to like press it and hold. You have to jump off, then do it. Guys, this is kind of boring.
No, it doesn't. That game has never split screen the whole time it's existed. We're gonna check what the game does for you.
That's called hacking. Hacking.
You don't have to tap the screen. All you have to do is jump.
Oh.
You should trade your Xbox.
Guys, we're running out of fire. I can't.
Lucas, come over. Even if I did do that, I would have to
Guys, we need to leave.
put it right here.
We'll play a different game.
I would not. I'm actually happy with this game. I'm not leaving.
Did you get wood? It doesn't upgrade.
Just upgraded.
I need water. Oh, I need food.
I read. And I know where to put it. I know where to go.
I'm exploring.
we're back to base. Guys, it doesn't work well. Sprint is on. It does. Why am I naked? Ooh, some scrap and water. Okay. There's a dragon. Oh God. Dragon. Guys, I'm gonna. Are you gonna help me? I'm dying. I'm starving.
I'm starving too. What am I supposed to do?
No. Get food?
I can't. I'm hurt. I need food.
I need food. Look. I don't know what to do. Should we just...
Dragons over there.
What if we just play 99 Nights instead? We know how to play that, don't we? Should we just play 99 Nights instead?
All we have to do is wait for the dragon to
Oh,
go.
sorry. We can get food here. Fruit. But we need coins. We need 10. Do we starve today? Could we just play 99 Nights instead?
No, I'm not playing 99 Nights.
What about... How about we play Survive 100 Days in a Realistic Abandoned City?
I guess Popo's locked up tonight. I'm
Or-
not leaving. I guess he's locked up tonight. I'm not on the door. He's at home.